Today, we're unraveling the mystery of virtual private networks, or VPNs, and why they're crucial for anyone who ventures online. In the digital age, privacy and security are paramount. Every time you connect to the internet, your data, be it your browsing habits, personal information, or even your location, is exposed to potential threats. That's where VPNs come in. A VPN is a powerful tool that encrypts your internet connection and hides your online activity from eavesdroppers, hackers, and even your internet service provider. But not all VPNs are created equal. When choosing a VPN, there are several key features to consider. First, privacy policies. Ensure your chosen VPN has a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't record any of your online activities. Second, security protocols. Look for VPNs that offer robust encryption methods and secure connection protocols to safeguard your data. Third, server locations. The more server locations a VPN has, the better the speed and reliability of your connection. And lastly, ease of use. A user-friendly interface is crucial for a seamless experience. The benefits of using a VPN extend beyond just privacy and security. They allow you to bypass geographic restrictions, access content from around the world, and even avoid bandwidth throttling by ISPs. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, traveling abroad, or simply browsing at home, a VPN ensures your online activities remain private and secure. However, it's important to stay informed and cautious. Not all VPN services are trustworthy, and free VPNs in particular can be a red flag. Often, they may log your data or provide inadequate security. Investing in a reputable paid VPN service is a small price for ensuring your online privacy and security. VPNs are an essential tool for anyone looking to protect their online privacy and security. By understanding the key features and benefits, you can make an informed decision on the right VPN for your needs. Remember, in the world of online security, being proactive is the key to staying safe. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Initiant, for more insightful content on navigating the digital world safely and smartly.